Welcome my friend, I'm Joe Silva. In this video I want to help you to bring the new tool of Affinity 2.1, the vector fluid fill, into your Affinity design. I made this video because many people are complaining about where is this new tool, John, and let me help you with that directly to the point. Well, first of all, what you need to do is to open your new version of Affinity design. Make sure that you are using the new version. All right, click here or help and about. It needs to be 2.1. all right. After that, what you need to do to display the new tool, you need to go here in view, then go here in customize tools, and then you're gonna see here the little icon which is called vector fluid fill tool. Click here and drag into your dock, and then this tool is right here available to you, ready to use. That was very easy, my friend. I hope that you enjoy it, and if you want to stick here in this tutorial, let me show you how you can use the vector fluid fill. All right, and just to let you know that you can download this character here in my vectorized club. All right, click on the link available to you below and join my club to learn how to use Affinity Designer. All right, first of all, I will go here in vector fluid fill tool. Click in this tool, and what you need to understand about this tool, let me show you. This tool is basically dedicated for painting. All right, so when you are using, let's say after you create the vector, let's say that you made this character, and here as you see I'm selecting all this group, and if I grab a color, let's say that I grab this color right here, and then I click in this area, Affinity will basically fill this area that is selected. As you can see, this area hasn't been selected because I'm selecting all the group. All right, so you need to make sure that if you select an object, you need to see the intersections. And how you can see that, you can click on here, all right, in this area, which is the wireframe, and then you can see that the vector fluid fill applies basically to the intersections. And then to make it simple for you, just select here this object, vector fluid fill, and then click here, and then Affinity will fill this area. You need to also make sure that we have some options here on top in case that, let's say you try to paint here the character. Let's say, hey John, I want to paint the character right here, and then let's say you click here, and then it applies above everything here, right? And let me show you. I will change the color and click here, and then it applies this way. Calm down, let me show you how you can solve this problem. This is happening because we are having this option which is called add on top, and this is apply on top of everything, and then you need to use this option that's called knockout, and then click here, and then Affinity will apply to the layer below. And this layer that you apply the fill, it applies in different layer, right? It doesn't apply to that vector, area. Congratulations, my friends, if you are watching me until now. Please leave it a like and comment here if you are enjoying this tutorial, because this helps me to bring more tutorials like this. Well, let's continue here. A quick tutorial for you, my friend. Select the shape that you want, make this in black, and then click here. Boom. I want to make this tongue in red. Click here. You need to keep it selected. Remember that. Fill, and then go here. John, I want to paint here the top area. Look at this, pay attention. I will go and select all this group that I have, and then I will select this color in red, and then click here. The trick is, if you click and hold, you can paint like that. You can paint just like this, okay? And here, let's try now, grab the color picker, and then I'll paint the remaining areas, which is really good. Look at this, painting here by dragging. It's a new way to paint using Affinity, as you can see here, and then giving here this very quick. I want to paint this piece of wood in brown, and there you go. Here it is. Yeah, my friend. And the last example, if you type a text like this, like and then I'll change this to bold, and look at this. Let's say that you have this text, and then I will draw a line in the middle like this. Very good. I'll keep this shape and text selected, and then go here vector fluid fill, and then I'll change this to gonna be yellow, and then I'll click here. Boom, 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 and then basically look at this. Affinity will create this kind of effect. This is happening, let me tell you, this is happening because the vector fluid field, it is considering, once you select, it's considering the overlappings, okay, the intersections. As you can see, it's what the vector fluid field considers. That's why it's so important when you are creating vector, you need to be aware about which areas you select and where you're gonna apply. Basically, it is how it works. Alright my friend, if you want to learn much more than this tutorial, I ask you to join to my new masterclass Affinity Design Ultimate course. That's gonna be available for you to get right now on the link available here below. Go in there, get your version, and let's get started to the new Affinity, my friend, and see you in the next video, and bye bye, take care.